skeleton. Okay. So the goal of this one is defeat the skeleton. The board is called the skeleton. Oh, he is big. Ah! Use a loop to attack the skeleton. Its blunt sword hardly does any damage, but it has a huge knockback. Oh my. Well. Oh, you're in a coordinate. That's interesting. I guess we have to move right first, and then we're gonna do a little while loop. So we're just we're gonna move right, which I'm wondering if these coordinates matter, because we haven't really talked about them yet. Because it seems as though we would need to move from here to there, but let's just try and see if we move right, if it means anything. Oh. Dang. He is beating our butts. Fight, 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 fight. My gosh. That skeleton was popping her all over the place. Sheesh. Let's try it again. I want to know if we have to move right or not. Let's just run it with the while loop, because it seems as though she started moving on her own. Let's check. Yeah, we didn't need to move right. We just need to do the loop like it said. Oh, ow. Give me my money.
But it's dead.
But it's dead. Sheesh. The skeleton.